students, welcome back to the 10th standard mathematics class. In the last videos we have seen the LCM and GCD of polynomials. Here it is 3.3.3, that is relationship between LCM and GCD. We are going to see the relationship between LCM and GCD of polynomials. So first let us consider two integers 2 and 18. Let us see what is the relationship between these in integers. Okay, so what is the LCM of 12 and 18? How can we find the LCM? Like this, 12 and 18. 2, 6 and this one becomes 9. Here again 2, 3, 9, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what's this? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 9 into 4, 9, 4 is 36. Okay, now GCD of 12 into 12 comma 18. So for this we are going to find the multiples of 12 and 18. See here 12 it is 6, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 9. 3 into 3 is 9. But that is 2, 2 and 3. Here it is 2, 3 and 3. What are the terms common? 2 and 3. So 2 into 3, that is 2 into 3 is 6. Okay, LCM of 12 comma 18 is 36 and GCD of 12 comma 18 is just 6. Okay, now let us find what is the relationship between the LCM and GCD of these numbers. Okay, see here, when we multiply 36 into 6, what we get? 6 is 36, 6 is 3 is 18, 21, that is 216. When we multiply the two given integers, 18 into 12, 8 2 is 16, 6 balance 1, 2 1 is 2, 3, 36, 1 into 18 is 18, 6, 12 2, 11, 216, right? That is 12 into 18 is equal to 216. What we get is, that is 12 into 18 is equal to LCM of 12 comma 18 into GCD of 12 comma 18. Right, that's the answer we got. Or integers kuduthirukanga, we have find the LCM and we have also find the GCD. When multiplying these two terms, that is the LCM and GCD, and again multiplying the original two given integers, we got the same answer. Therefore 12 into 18 is equal to LCM into 12 comma 18 into GCD of 12 comma 18. Okay, the same can be applied for polynomials. So in this chapter we are seeing only the LCM and GCD of polynomials. Now here it is an example of relationship between LCM and GCD of integers. Now let us see what is the relationship between LCM and GCD of polynomials. For that they have given some illustration. That is some example like some. What they have given there. See the formula for this will be like this. That is, for polynomials we take two polynomials, f of x and g of x. Okay, the formula is LCM of f of x and g of x into GCD of f of x comma g of x will be equal to f of x into g of x. This is the formula we will get. Since let us see some illustration in this. They have given a example in the form of illustration. How can this be applied for the polynomials? See here, for illustration they have given f of x as, that is one polynomial is 12 into x square minus y square, and if they have given some other polynomial g of x as 8 into x cube minus y cube. Okay, see this can be written as, how can we write this? How can we write this? Okay, how can we write this? 4 into 3, that is 2 into 3. See, x square minus y square, a square minus b square formula, that is a minus b into a plus b. X minus y into x plus y. Then g of x is 8 into x cube minus y cube. How can we rewrite this? 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube is 8 into x cube, a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Therefore x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, we have expanded it. Now we are going to find the LCM and GCD. LCM of f of x comma g of x. That is given f of x and g of x. So what's the LCM? See, you'll add, see here it is 2 square, here it is 2 cube. Therefore cube into, here just we have only one 3 into x minus y we have here also we have only one x minus y. Therefore x minus y into, here we have x plus y, here we have this term, that is x plus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay, see how can we write this? That is 8 3 is 24. This is 8, right? 2 cube is 8. 8 into 3 is 24 into x minus y into x plus y. Therefore x square minus y square. This can be written like that, right? Here it is only x minus y, and here it is x plus y, and adding on multiplying this, what we will get? The formula a square minus b square, that is x square minus y square into this term, that is x square plus xy plus y square. So this is LCM. Now we are going to find the GCD, greatest common divisor. GCD of the given polynomials f of x comma g of x. Okay, from these two terms, from here. See, here we have 2 cube, here we have only 2 square. So what the common term is 2 square. 2 square. Here we have 3, but here we don't have 3. Here we have x minus y, here also we have x minus y. The only term common is x minus y alone. Therefore x minus y, which is equal to 4 into x minus y. Now we are going to find the multiplication of LCM of f of x comma g of x into GCD of f of x comma g of x. Okay, what will be the multiplication? See, LCM is 24 into x square minus y square into this term, that is x square plus xy plus y square into 4 into x minus y. See, here we are going to multiply this. So multiplying the constant numbers around 24 into 4. 4 is 16, balance 1, 4 2 is 8, 96 as it is. X square minus y square, we can keep it as it is, into, see here we have x minus y, here we have this term x square plus xy plus y square. See, this is the formula for a cube minus b cube. Therefore x cube minus y cube. Okay, we have find the multiplication of LCM and GCM. Now let us multiply the given polynomials f of x into g of x, f of x into g of x. Let us see what's the value we are getting. F of x is 12 into x square minus y square, and g of x is 8 into x cube minus y cube, and multiplying these terms, 12 into 8. 8 2 is 16, balance 1, 8 1 is 8 plus 1, 96. Therefore 96 into x square minus y square into x cube minus y cube. See here, this term and this term are same. Therefore what we have got here, f of x into g of x is equal to LCM of f of x comma g of x into GCD of f of x comma g of x. Therefore we have proven this formula. Okay, see, through this formula only we are going to proceed with this subdivision. We have to mug up this, it's an important formula. So through this only we are going to proceed with this subdivision. Okay, now let us enter into the exercise 3.3. Okay, in the first sum what they have given, find LCM and GCD of the given polynomials, LCM and GCD, and we should also verify f of x into g of x is equal to, we should verify the formula. We should also verify this. We have to find both LCM and GCD of the given polynomials, and we should also verify this. Okay, in the first subdivision what they have given, 21 x square y and then 35 xy square. Okay, let us take f of x as 21 x square y. How can we write this as 7 into 3 into x square y. Okay, and then g of x as 7 into 5, that is g of x is, let us take it as 35 xy square, which is equal to 7 into 5 xy square. Now LCM of f of x comma g of x. What's the LCM? See, here we have only 7 into 5 into 3, here in 4x, here we have x square and here we have x, therefore we take it as x square. Here we have y and here we have y square into y square. What's the LCM? 15 into 7. 7 5 is 35, balance is 7 1 in 7. That is 105 into x square into y square. Now what we have to find again? We are going to find the GCD of this given two terms. Okay, GCD of f of x comma g of x. GCD. So GCD from these two. See the common terms. Here we have common 7. 7 into, in the x term we have common only x, and in the y term we have only common y, that is 7 into x into y. So we have find the LCM and we have also find the GCD. Okay, now we are going to verify this, that is LCM into GCD. What's the LCM here? 105 into x square y square into, what's the GCD's value? 7 into x y. Okay, 105 into 7. 7 5 is 35, balance 7 0 is 0, plus 3 is 3, 7 is, therefore 7 35. X into x is x cube, y square into y is y cube. Okay, and again we have to find f of x into g of x, right? F of x into g of x. What's the value given here? 21 x square y into 35 x y square. Okay, we are going to multiply this. 35 into 21 is 35, 75, 735, that is 735. Multiplying x term, here we have x square and here we have x, that is x cube. Here we have only y, here we have only here we have y square. Y into y square is y cube. See this? Therefore we have proved this term, f of x into g of x is equal to LCM of f of x comma g of x into GCD of f of x comma g of x. This is the first subdivision. Now we are moving on to the second subdivision. See, second subdivision will be the assignment for you. It will be easy, we can find it easily like this only. So what they have given, x cube minus 1 into x plus y comma x cube plus 1. We should take this as f of x, this is g of x. Okay, we should expand it and then we have to find the LCM and GCD. Okay, then we have to verify this. We have to multiply these two terms and then we have to multiply the that we have found. You should found the LCM into GCD and then you should prove these two terms are, these two multiplications are equal. This will be assignment for you guys. Hope this will be very easy. That's why I am giving you this assignment. Okay, now let's just move on to the third subdivision. What's the third subdivision here? X square y plus xy square. Let us take it as f of x and they have given some g of x. Okay, now let us expand this. Therefore f of x is equal to, see here we have one x and one y as common, therefore we are taking xy out. When we take xy out in this term, we get only x as remainder, and we get, when we take xy in this term, we get only y as remainder. Okay, then what's the g of x term they have given? That is x square plus xy. This we have x is common, we can take only one x is common, that is x plus y. Okay, now shall we find the LCM and GCD? Now LCM of f of x comma g of x. So LCM, see the x term here, what it is x, here it is also x, therefore 1x and 1y should be there, and then we have x plus y. This is the LCM. Now GCD. Okay, shall we find the GCD? What's the terms we have in common? That is x into x plus y only we have in common. Okay, now We have find the LCM and GCD. Now we are going to verify this. First, f of x into g of x. What's the f of x given here? X, y. What's the f of x given here? Here this term. That is x square y plus x y square into the another term is x square plus x y. Okay. This we have separated like this, x y into x plus y, and this term into x plus y. How can we write this? How can we multiply this? X square y into x plus y the whole square. Okay, we have written like this. Now we are going to find the multiplication of GCD and LCM. What's the LCM we have find here? xy into x plus y, and what's the GCD here? X into x plus y. Okay, x into x plus y. We are going to multiply this. What the answer we get? X square y into x plus y the whole square. See these two terms? So hence we have proved f of x into g of x is equal to LCM into GCD. That's all with this question. We have find the LCM and GCD, and we have also verified this. Okay, hope this is very easy. You can do it very easily. So that's why I have given you the second subdivision of this sum as assignment for you. So now let us see the second sum. So what's the second sum? What they have asked us to find? Find LCM alone. Okay, they have given two polynomials, and in the question they have also given the GCD of the two polynomials. We are just going to find LCM. See the first subdivision. What they have given, let us take f of x is equal to a square plus 4a minus 12, and g of x is equal to, see now let us expand this first. Okay, also we are going to expand this. See here it is in the form of quadratic equation. We are going to solve this. Minus 12. 6 2 is 12. We should get minus here, but we should, when adding this, we should get plus 4. Therefore minus. So what we get? A plus 6 into a minus 2. We have expanded it. Now the next polynomial they have given is a square minus 5a plus 6. Now I am taking that as g of x. Let us take this as g of x. We are going to expand this. Factorize it. See, it's 3. 3 to 2 is 6. See, it is only plus, but we should get minus 5 while adding that. Therefore, minus 3 to minus. Therefore, this can be written as a minus 3 into a minus 2. See, they have given the GCD as a minus 2. Now, we are going to find LCM. We already know this formula, right? This is a formula of this subdivision, very important formula of this. We already know this. Now we are going to find LCM alone. So what you are going to do? We are going to take LCM. This LCM we are going to keep it as it is, and we are going to take GCD this side. Therefore it becomes divided by GCD. This becomes the formula of this sum. Okay, that becomes the formula of this sum. That is LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. Okay, what is f of x here? We have expanded it as a plus 6 into a minus 2, and then g of x we have expanded it as a minus 3 into a minus 2 divided by GCD. We know the GCD they have given in the question. The GCD is a minus 2. So we can cut this and this. The remaining terms is a plus 6 into a minus 2 into a minus 3 is the required LCM. Okay, this is very easy. Just this formula we are going to substitute it. We are going to eliminate the terms, and we will find the LCM. See, in the second subdivision what they have given? They have given two polynomials. Let us take f of x as x power 4 minus 27 a cube x. See, this will be assignment for you. This is the second assignment in this video. So f of x, let us take this. I will give you some hint. How can we take this? We can take the x outside. When we take the x outside, we just get x cube minus 27a cube. See, this is in the formula. We can convert this as 3a the whole cube. A cube minus b cube formula, we can expand it like that. And let us take g of x as x minus 3a the whole square. Let us keep it as it is, and they have given some GCD. GCD is equal to x minus 3a. Okay. Now what you are going to find? You are going to find the LCM through this formula. LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. You are going to substitute the values and you are going to cancel, and you are going to find the LCM. So this will be assignment for you. Let us move on to the third subdivision. Okay. Third subdivision in the second sum. What's the third subdivision? So there is only two subdivisions. Now we are going to move on to the third question. See, in the last question we find LCM. In this question we are going to find the GCD. The same thing. Here this LCM goes here and GCD comes here. The same formula we are going to use. Okay. See, the first subdivision, they have given two polynomials. Let us take f of x as 12 into x power 4 minus x cube. See, 12 4 into 3, that is 2 square into 3. Here it is x power 4 minus x cube. We can take x cube outside. X cube is common in both the terms. X cube outside. So we have only x here and only minus. Okay. Now let us take g of x. What's the next term they have given? 8 into x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 2x squared. Okay. This can be expanded as 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, and here we have x square as common in all the terms. Therefore, we are going to take x squared outside. What's the remaining terms? X squared minus 3x plus 2. Okay. We can factorize this. 2. 2 1 is 2, but we should get minus 3 while adding this. Therefore, we are adding minus. Therefore, this can be written as 2 cube into x squared into x minus 2 into x minus 1. Okay. They have also given LCM. LCM of these two polynomials is 24 x cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay. What do you have to find? We have to find the GCD. So we are going to apply this formula. What's the formula? We are going to find GCD. Therefore, GCD is equal to f of x into g of x divided by LCM. We know all these three values. What's the value is? F of x, how can we return this? Return it as 2 square into 3 into x cube into x minus 1 into, what is g of x? G of x is here. 2 cube into x square into x minus 2 into x minus 1. The whole divided by LCM. What's the LCM? 24, that is 12 into 2. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. 2 square into 3 into 2. Therefore, this can be written as 2 cube into 3. Okay, 24 can be written as 2 cube into 3. 2 cube into 3 into x, into x cube is there, right? X cube into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now what you are going to do? We are going to cancel. See, here it is 2 cube. This 2 square gets cancelled. We have only 1 2 here. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. This 3 x cube and this x cube gets cancelled. See, this 2 and here gets cancelled. Therefore, we get only 2 square. This x minus 1 and this 1, this x minus 2, this x minus 2 gets cancelled. So what's the remaining terms here? Remaining terms is x minus 1. Here it is 2 square, that is 4, and we have only x square. 4 into x square into x minus 1, which is the required GCD of this question. Okay, we have to find GCD that we have found. Okay, the second subdivision. What's the question given in this second subdivision? Will be assignment for you. This is the third assignment, third sum, which is assignment for you. Assignment. I'll give you some hint. they have given two terms. Let us take f of x is equal to x cube plus y cube. Okay, and then g of x is x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4. Okay, now we are going to expand this. This is a cube plus b cube formula, that is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. See, this term, this is a formula, a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. This can be written as x square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square, and they have given some LCM as x cube plus y cube into x square plus xy plus y square. You can expand this, okay, and these three values you can substitute in this formula. You will get the required GCD. Okay, now, so this is the assignment. We are moving on to the last sum, that is fourth sum. They are given some information in the table formula. Okay, in the first sum they have given LCM, which is a cube minus 10a square plus 11a plus 70. They have also given GCD, and they have given some one term, that is p of x alone they have given. We have to find the next polynomial q of x in this sum. Now we are going to expand this. Okay, now we are going to expand this. How can we expand this? See, this is of order 3, degree 3. So we can expand this in this format: 1 minus 10, 11, 70. Okay, we have to substitute. We have to using the numbers 2, 3, etc. What's the number we are going to get the remainder 0? We will get the that one as the root. Okay, so let us take it as 0. See here, 0, 1, 2. When we are adding this, we get minus 8. When multiplying this, we get minus 16. When we are adding this, we get just 5. We get 10. We don't get 0 here. Okay, therefore this is wrong. We are moving on to the next number. So let us see for 3. 0, 1, 3, minus 7, minus 21, 10, 30. So we don't get 0 here. Likewise, we should see which number is for which number we are getting the remainder 0. Let us take it as 7. 0, 1, 7 minus 21. That is, here it is minus 10. When you multiply this, we get minus 70. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, this can be changed as a minus 7 into a square minus 3a minus 10 through this method. Okay. Okay. Now we can find this. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve this using this method. And that is 5 into 2. We should get minus 10. Therefore, this term. Therefore, this can be written as a minus 7 into a minus 5 into a plus 2. GLCM. What's the GCD? They have given GCD is equal to a minus 7. We need not expand this. Okay, and they have given another one polynomial p of x, that is a square minus 12a plus 35. This is the form quadratic equation. We are going to solve this. 35. Okay, 7, 5 is 35. Here it is plus 35, but we should get minus 12 while adding this. Therefore, minus into minus. Therefore, this can be written as a minus 7 into a minus 5. Okay. See here, what we are going to find. This is the formula. Okay. What you are going to, what's the formula? For f of x and g of x, they have given p of x and q of x. We know the formula: p of x into q of x will be equal to LCM into GCD. They have given this term, and this term. We have to find q of x. Therefore, we are going to keep q of x this side, and we are going to take this p of x down. So, what's the required formula here? Q of x will be equal to LCM into GCD divided by p of x. x. We are going to substitute the values, then we will find the polynomial q of x. What's the value? LCM we have find it as a minus 7 into a minus 5 into a plus 2. What's the value of GCD? A minus 7. See, what's the value of the polynomial p of x? We have found it as a minus 7 into a minus 5. See, this term gets cancelled, this term gets cancelled. The remaining term is a plus 2 into a minus 7. Multiply this both, a square plus 2a minus 7a minus 14. Therefore, a square minus 5a minus 14 is q of x. This is the required polynomial. Okay. This is the first subdivision. Now let us move on to the second subdivision. So in the same way, here they have given LCM, GCD. Instead of p of x, they have given q of x. In this sum, we are going to find p of x. Okay. See, what's the LCM they have given? LCM is equal to x square plus y square into x power 4, x square y square plus y power 4. We are going to expand this. See, x square plus y square, let it be as it is, and this can be written as. Here I have given you a formula, right? How can we write this? X square plus xy plus y square into x square minus y square plus y square. Like the same ways, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Adhe formula mari, this is of power 4. Okay. Now, what is GCD they have given? GCD they have given is x square minus y square. How can you write this? X plus y into x minus y. This is of the form a square minus b square formula. And then they have given the polynomial q of x. What's the polynomial? X power 4 minus y power 4 into x square minus xy plus y square. This is the thing they have given. See, x square the whole square minus y square the whole square. Okay, so a square minus b square formula a square x square minus y square into x square plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, again this can be converted. See, this is of the formula a square minus b square, which can be converted as x plus y into x minus y into x square plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square. So we have expanded LCM, GCD and q of x. Now we have to find p of x alone. That is, we have to find p of x instead of q of x. P of x, p of x should come down. Okay, shall we substitute the values? See, what's LCM here? The LCM is x square plus y square into these two terms. X square plus xy plus y square into x square minus xy plus y square. This is LCM. And what's GCD? X plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. The whole is divided by q of x. What's the value of q of x? Here it is. That is x plus y into x minus y into x square plus y square, and this term, that is x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, shall we cancel the terms? X plus y, x minus y, and x minus y gets cancelled. X square plus y square, this term also gets cancelled. See, x square minus xy plus y square, x square minus y xy plus y square, this term and this term. The remaining term is, that is x square plus xy plus y square. This will be the polynomial p of x. Hence we have find this polynomial. Okay, so the total assignment sum is 3 in this subdivision. I have given you some hints. Hope you have understand everything. It will be very easy. The only formula is we required is LCM into GCD is equal to f of x into g of. This is the required formula for this subdivision. With this formula we can find all the things here. Hope you have understand everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.